Well, we begin with the top story. He's followed up his allegations with what he claims is proof. Arvind Kejriwal pointing at a nexus between the DLF group and the Haryana government, alleging violations and handing over prime land to DLF. But his charges have been rejected both by DLF and the Hooda government, while the Congress has dismissed it as a publicity stunt.
After levelling charges of quid pro quo, now Arvind Kejriwal claims he has proof.
There was 30-acre land on which hospital was supposed to be constructed. The Haryana government passed a notification saying that DLF can construct an SEZ on that.
Kejriwal claiming there was a nexus between Robert Vadra, DLF and the Haryana government.
The High Court not just cancelled that order, but also passed very strong strictures against Haryana government saying that there's a clear nexus between Haryana government and DLF. In this, Robert Vadra had 50% shareholding in that company which was setting up this SEZ. He had it for 1 year.
Kejriwal making 6 big allegations.
As per the documents revealed by Arvind Kejriwal, it is seen that in the year 2007, the first favour by the Haryana government was given to DLF in the form of 30-acre land. And it is in the year 2008 that Robert Vadra gained 50% share in DLF SEZ holding. And in the later years, it is seen that Robert Vadra's company got unsecured loan of 65 crores.
But DLF coming out to challenge Kejriwal, making a point-by-point rebuttal, denying getting any special favours from the Haryana government.
Mr. Kejriwal said he would come up with damning proof. The best he has had is one judgment, and he's got his facts somewhat botched up, but let's clear them up. One judgment which is stayed by the Supreme Court. I think his allegations against DLF are irresponsible.
Even the Haryana government rejecting Kejriwal's contention.
That this is an incorrect statement, a false impression is being created against the government and the government functionaries that they are tilted in favor of DLF Hooda, which is actually incorrect.
The Congress accusing Kejriwal of orchestrating a publicity stunt.
If Mr. Kejriwal and co think that by attacking people like this, that it will give them political glory, then I will be very interested to watch his political party 6 months down the line.
But Kejriwal's allegations fueling the opposition's ire.
Let us establish a veracity once and for all. Otherwise, let all the concerned parties sue India against corruption. No problem. But let us first inquire. What is the objection to that? I'm saying let's have an independent SIT guided probe directed by the court.
As allegations and counter-allegations fly thick and fast, Kejriwal seems to be kicking up a storm, prompting many to ask whether this is Kejriwal the activist or Kejriwal the politician. With Pooja Shelley and Poonam Agarwal in New Delhi, Viren Ferrao, Times Now.